Hello, my people. I don't come again for another one. Now see this video one and the watch so. This pastor, he don't vex. The pastor vex for wetin dey go on about Ada Jesus with Odumeje. Because the pastor say, as a man of God, nothing wey person go do you, wey you know say, wey you go talk say, you no fit forgive am. The pastor vex say, as a pastor, you wey dey preach for forgiveness, tell people say, if anything, anybody offend you, and that person come ask for forgiveness, why you no go give am? So the pastor come vex, talk many things, say, see native doctor wey dem suppose to dey teach about forgiveness. Na that native doctor na im first of all forgive Ada Jesus. Say the something surprise am as im watch that video. Una know na the video of Ada Jesus. Say as im watch am, he as a man of God, he no fit sleep. Dey think about wetin the other pastor dey talk, say he no go fit forgive am. He even dey insult am as that girl dey for down, wey lie down for church for there. He say as he watch the native doctor also, he begin dey ask himself, who is the man of God here? Na that one wey forgive, abi na that one wey say he no go fit forgive? My brothers and sisters, you know say something happen, everybody go dey do video, talk their own, talk this one, because the one wey this pastor talk, normally a man of God, when you call yourself a man of God, nothing go dey wey person go do you, when you go say you no fit forgive am. Because na then they preach am for church, say anybody wey offend you, he come meet you and he ask you for forgiveness, may you give am. Because when you forgive, God also go still forgive you your sin. Because now even then they even dey sin. Then the man of God, they be also a human being. Then they sin, then they offend people. So the man vex, talk many things. I go put the video, una go watch am. I go still put another video, the one where Ada Jesus do, no, about pastor wey reply, the time where she dey reply all these pastors. I go still put am, because na that video na Odumeje say he no go forgive Ada Jesus. Anyway, man of God, you have to forget and forgive. Because if na your daughter uncle, if na your sister uncle, una still dey offend us sometimes, we go still forgive una. No matter wetin she do, na comedian. Because doing that video for your altar, because the pastor go talk and say, as he do that video for your altar, say he no go forgive. E no good. Even people wey see am, everybody wey don see that video see say wetin that Odumeje do, it was very bad. As a man of God, nothing wey person go do you, when that person come meet you, ask you for forgiveness, you must forgive am and tell am say, I don forgive and forget, because you are not God. So the man talk many things. One I go see, una go still watch am. But una help me share am, my brothers and sisters. I will put the other video, una go still watch am together. Because this life, we dey learn every day by day. E dey pay many pastors say, how can a pastor go tell person say, I will never forgive you? Even God sef still forgive us for our sins, wey we dey commit every blessed day. Nobody be God. If God can forgive you, who are you that cannot forgive order. My brothers and sisters, na so I talk and reach. Una do well. Una bye. Una help me share.
There was something I saw. I think yesterday somebody called my attention onto it in a social media. So I nearly cried. What is that? There is a young girl, they call her Ada Jesus. She's a comedian. A comedian. According to what I saw that was trending, she accused or insulted two people, two spiritual people. One happens to be a prophet of God. One is another spiritual person who does the traditional thing called native doctor. And I was meant to understand that this other Jesus, who happens to be a comedian, has accused the both of them in different ways, insult them, talk against them, and do all manner of evil, which the both of them, out of their anger from their altar, laid curses or whatever they have done against the other Jesus. Now mysteriously, this other Jesus of a comedian lady got sick. So sick that if you see her picture right now, she looks like somebody who is at the point of death. Now suddenly, with what I was referred to the social media to watch what was going on, the family of Ada Jesus decided to take a step of apology, of mercy. And with what we heard, they went to the native doctor's place some hours or days ago. The native doctor listened to them. They pleaded for forgiveness. Whatever the young girl has done, and this and that. And the native doctor forgave the girl. And I was equally told that the native doctor had to give the girl money to go and join hands and save herself. And did some kind of incantation and rituals to reverse whatever he has done. And now went to the other prophet by name Prophet Oduheje. Because Oduheje. I'm very angry right now with what they were told. Sometimes social media can lie. When the comedian Ada Jesus got to the altar, after begging and apologizing to somebody who has stood as a deputy Jesus, the person said, I am not forgiving you. In fact, the so-called prophet had to raise more curses onto the girl and the family. And I became angry in my spirit. I became angry in my spirit that a native doctor had to teach a man of God what to do. Sir, there is a way you can insult a man of God out of anger. He can react. It's a normal thing. But when the person has repented and changed and run down to the same altar that she have criticized, the same altar that she have insulted, do you know what it is? She has equally come back to submit to whatever she had vomited at that time. So as a priest, you are not God, bros. As a priest, what you just need is to forgive and pray for her and tell her, according to John 8, as Jesus told the adulterous woman, he said, go and sin. Go and sin no more. Sir, see, let them go and sin insult. You know we've been insulted. Go to my channel, Action God TV. Go and see insult. The first time I prophesied that God showed me that Nana Akufo-Addo will be the next president of Ghana. By then he was not an incumbent. The incumbent was Mahama. I was ministering in our branch in New York. I flew to come and pray for Nana in Ghana. People insulted. They said, who is this one? There's no insult we never read. And the man won. He became the next president. If today is Sunday, even if he come back to the altar today and say, oh, I'm forgiving her, sorry, that doesn't make what? It doesn't make sense. Because the native doctor have told you the way. We supposed to show them the way. It's a very big disgrace. It's a very big disgrace to Christendom. What kind of insult? Tell me, what kind of insult would that girl, or has that girl said that you cannot forgive. They insulted Christ to an extent, sir, that at the cross of Calvary, he said, God, forgive them, for they don't know what they are doing. What kind of insult would have that girl given to Odumeje? That a man of God stood by the altar and said, I will not forgive you. Blessed are the merciful, for they shall obtain.
Yeah, down. Sometimes I wonder the kind of church we go to. And sometimes I wonder the kind of men of God we have. If a pastor can be so proud like this publicly, asking who is somebody's father, when he knows very well that the person is giving, the mother of that person is being pregnant by a man, and they are asking who is his father, that means the person is thrown up from heaven or down to earth or what? I don't understand this. You pastors, even to the extent of calling the Daddy Freeze a bastard, a man of God calling somebody a bastard. What are you preaching in that your church? What are you actually preaching in that your church? Pastor calling somebody a bastard. My dear, you're not a man of God. Hear it from me. You are not a man of God. You are not a pastor. If you can come out publicly calling Daddy Freeze a bastard, who do you think you are? All you fake pastors up and down, who do you think you are? Calling somebody bastard, telling the person who is your father. You too, who is your father? Who is your father? Your father is nobody but a sand. Your father are nobody but a sand. And I never wanted to speak English on this video, but I have to force myself and speak it. Nonsense, man of God.
Everybody are clapping hands for you in Facebook. Eh? My family. And everybody are celebrating you. I'm telling you, hey, we are CEO. Now we know Dumeje is fake. Eh?
This is my first time of seeing this video.
That is the video.
Because I'm in the Facebook.
That is the video that will destroy your home. Because this is your daughter. And once you have already, he said that he pity the whole world that coming here. Then I will not in your family. I can never. The day I start to wake up to think and went to mountain and bring down the citadel, I forgive several times. And I hand my help for her. Still yet, in a few weeks, he do another video. That's why I asked, what did I do? Uncle Odumeje, Madina Boga Foot and say, where did I know this lady? What connection? For one day, I have never had any discussion with you. He said, what?
The devil is at the wall. Devil is at the wall.
It's your sister.
Devil is at the wall.
Now you know that devil. The same devil, I will make sure that God of heaven that using me to destroy you and start again. Nobody speak against me, go free. I am not a man you can joke with. 9 million people are clapping hands in Facebook, calling me all sorts of names. So they deceive is what you are deceiving us. I foresee why movie people are coming here. So no film on member. So this is film. Yes, because film people can never go where there is no film. Go to Facebook, YouTube. If you go to YouTube, 9 million, more than 9 million people are praising her. Thank you for opening our eyes. Open your eyes. This church had been almost 20-something years. And you come here 1990, 2019. And you have never come almost about 10. Eh? Your wife has been almost 10 times a year. Eh?
No.
You have never come almost 10 times. Then he had become my controller. He had become we are doing business. From a caliber. No you. For